Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to delete Western Union account. Well, this is simple. We're gonna do is um, the first step we're gonna do is find this Western Union in Google, and then we're gonna click this this page right here, and then we're gonna see this page right here. And then once we are here, we're gonna click right here. These three lines in there, and then we're gonna click help auction. This page will pop up, and then we're gonna scroll down, and then we're gonna contact with Western Union, clicking Instagram and sending a message. We also can click this button. Okay, this button is contact button. We're gonna click, and here we can see the phone number of Western Union, and we can call this number, and um, we can request our cancellation of our account. Okay, right here, calling this number, and you can request that. Well, it's quite simple. If 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 this video was helpful, uh, please comment and subscribe.